Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a speed build and review of this World War II fighter 4D model. This is a BF-109 fighter of the German army. This is one of 6 of the different painting designs on the aircraft body. It comes in gates and brackets, just like any other plastic model kit. Let's start to assemble it. So this is how the BF-109 fighter looks like when it's done. It's army green in color with some camouflage design on the body and wings. One of the propeller fan has been broken when I tested the propeller, so it's very fragile, the material that is used. There are wheels at the front and one at the back. Not sure what this is. Probably a missile, torpedo. Need to check. There's a word fighter for this design. There are 6 designs of this plane, as mentioned earlier. The cockpit can be opened. There's supposed to be 2 items here and here. I believe they are like guns or bullets, which I don't put because it doesn't fit properly. I need to recheck. There's also another item here which I think is also the gun for the airplane. Very nice. The surface of the plane is rough. You can really feel the edges and the etching on this body of the plane and the wings and stuff. Quite nice. That's all from me. If you like this video, give it a like, share or comment. For more of the same content, click subscribe. That's all from me. Bye bye.